My name is Ravina, and I'm here to tell you about home and kitchen products you've got to see. At any time, just click this banner and get real-time deals on your favorite products. Number 1. Ideal for family lounge, bedroom, cafe and restaurant. PVC, non-toxic and waterproof. These wall stickers decorate your home just in minutes. Easy installation. Make sure that the surface you wish to attach your decal is clean and free. Number 2. Simply peel those pre-cut pieces of wall stickers off from the backing paper and apply them to the desired area. Another great product by Decals Design. Number 3. By Recron. Amazon Great Indian Sale is now live. Click this banner and get the best deals for you. Number 4. Philips Space B22 9-watt LED bulb by Philips. Number 5. By Ajanta. A great deal you shouldn't miss. Number 6. By Kuber Industries. Get these great online offers now. Click this banner for real-time deals and updates. Number 7. By Decals Design. Number 8. By BlackBerry Overseas. This is one of many great products we got in store for you. Number 9. By Loretto, a quality linen brand. Number 10. By Solimo.